Hi, I am Eduardo Ramirez, Chief Designer at the Hyundai Design Center in Europe.
And I'm Chris McKinnon. I head up product planning for Hyundai here in Europe. And we're delighted to have you here to be able to present the latest addition to the IONIQ family, the IONIQ 3.
IONIQ 3 reflects how our vision continues to evolve. We are pushing the boundaries of electric mobility through design innovation. I would like to briefly take you back to the very beginning of this project. We started the early creative phase by making simple paper models, exploring ways to express strength, tension, and structure. Through this process, we managed to capture the inherent tension of steel, the balance between softness and strength. And this is how our Art of Steel design philosophy was born. We first expressed these ideas in Concept 3, and today, with IONIQ 3, this exploration becomes reality, bringing together emotion and real-world purpose. IONIQ 3 is defined by its unique Aero Hatch profile, a form that is efficient and spacious. It is an emotional, modern interpretation of the sporty hatchback. The sporty stance is supported by EV-specific proportions, with a low front, a flowing roofline that accelerates downwards behind the rear occupants, and a vertical tailgate with an integrated spoiler. This combination creates a strong and confident appearance while maximizing interior space. In this N-line version, the black mask and open grilles reinforce this dynamic style, while the slim horizontal lighting signature emphasizes the vehicle's width. The pixelated lights make a clear reference to the IONIQ identity, while the 4-dot signature in the center make reference to the letter H in Morse code. And the bonnet surface seamlessly flows into the fender, expressing the natural behavior of steel. Large, clean surfaces intersect to create distinctive character lines which express precision and tension. In the rear three-quarter view, the car is defined by three main surfaces: the side panel, the diagonal plane that rolls from the top and runs into the body side, and the rear section, which is close on the vehicle in a very short rear overhang. The rear surface incorporates the pixel lighting that connects with the two-piece rear window. In the N-line model, we have the rear spoiler that improves the aerodynamic performance in combination with the lower diffuser. Gloss black claddings and faceted dark wheels emphasize the performance-oriented character of the vehicle. We followed a similar material-driven approach when designing the interior, defined by what we call the curve of upholstery. Inspired by the craftsmanship and comfort of contemporary furniture, soft padded surfaces gently wrap around the interior structures, creating an environment that feels warm, intuitive, and refined. Practical storage solutions include an open dashboard shelf, a dual-level center console, and integrated door pockets, enhancing everyday usability. The driver-focused layout features a slim cluster positioned above the steering wheel, along with physical buttons for essential functions. This supports our principle of keeping the hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. We even added some Easter eggs, small, playful design touches to create an emotional connection and add a sense of fun. IONIQ 3 represents an harmonious and refined expression of our Art of Steel and Curve of Upholstery philosophies. It marks an important new chapter in Hyundai's evolving design identity.
The IONIQ 3 is built on E-GMP, Hyundai's proven highly efficient electric vehicle platform. We offer two battery sizes, a standard range and a long-range battery. The long-range battery has a range of up to 490 kilometers, supporting your daily commute, but also allowing for longer journeys. In terms of charging, we offer fast charging of 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. We also have an AC onboard charger of up to 22 kilowatts. To make the charging experience seamless and, again, easy to use, we offer plug to charge, the same as you'd find on other Hyundai IONIQ models. My favorite feature is the vehicle to load. This allows you to connect accessories to the vehicle's battery, such as coffee machines or charging your e-bike, whatever supports your lifestyle. So we know our customers are looking for a versatile and practical car. So look at the size of this case. Let me position it in what we call the mega box. It fits easily under the floor, and you still have access to over 330 litres of cargo capacity. In total, you have over 440 litres, making it a very versatile car. Another area that really excites me about the IONIQ 3 is the new Pleos Connect infotainment system. It's based on the Android Auto operating system. It comes in a 12.9-inch display, or, as you see here, the 14.6-inch display. It's a clear and really easy to use display. So really, there are three things that I want you to remember after watching this presentation. The first thing is, it is customizable. The same as your smartphone, you set this up to your own preferences. It's really easy to use and very intuitive. We also have an app store in addition to the integrated apps such as navigation that will grow over time. Again, the same way that the smartphone does. We also have an AI-guided voice assist, which allows you to interact naturally with the vehicle. When you look at the layout of the instrument panel, we've set it up so it's intuitive and easy to use. We talk about hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. All the switches are within easy access. If you look at the steering wheel, we've clustered all the ADAS functionality on the left-hand side of the steering wheel and everything to do with infotainment and telephone on the right-hand side. So one of the areas that Hyundai is praised for is the retention of physical controls. And even though we've got the large 14.6-inch screen here, we've retained critical physical controls, such as temperature, up and down. You can adjust the temperature without taking your eyes off the road. And as you can see, all the information is directly in the driver's line of sight. The technology is here to support the driver and to minimize distractions. So when designing the IONIQ 3, we looked at several consumer use cases, especially when you sit and charge. So we've added a feature from the other IONIQ vehicles, the relaxation seats. The relaxation seats really make for a very comfortable seating position whilst charging, and they're also either heated or ventilated. We have a heated rear seat, which is not something you would expect in this segment. We also have a number of other features from the IONIQ range and from a different class of car. We've got the dual zone climate control, we've got the available Bose sound system. It also has the interior roominess that you'd expect in a different segment. Despite its compact footprint, it has a really spacious interior. Overall, a really compelling package. Being a Hyundai, of course, safety is top priority, and the IONIQ 3 is no exception. There are two technologies I'd like to highlight on the IONIQ 3. The first one is Highway Drive Assist 2. This is a technology that makes long journeys relaxing and supports the driver in several different cases. It supports lane changes, maintains the distance to the vehicle in front, and has been optimized to support the driver if somebody cuts in front of them. We also have a new feature called Memory Reverse Assist. So if you've driven yourself into a tight spot, the car will memorize how you got there and help you reverse out of that tight spot. And again, these are technologies that we've added to help make the life of our drivers easier on an everyday basis. So, the IONIQ 3 brings the IONIQ formula to more customers. It offers class-leading versatility, technology, and range. I really hope you've enjoyed this preview of the IONIQ 3. Now it's time for you all to see the car in the metal. Thank you very much.